if you are going to give me your card details, then I'll give you my phone number.
Okay. Let me explain to you now. If you are really keen to get my card number, you are really keen to get my card number and card details, aren't you?
আসেন আজকে আপনাদেরকে একটা ফোন কল দেখাই। ফোন কলের মাধ্যমে ইউকেতে মানুষকে কিভাবে বোকা বানানোর চেষ্টা করে বিভিন্ন ধরনের লাক্রেটিভ অফার দিয়ে। তো আপনারা সবাই সাবধান থাকবেন। এখন আমার একটা ফোন কল আসবে, সেটাই আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করব। সে আমাকে কিভাবে একটা ফাঁদে ফেলতে চায় আপনাদের সাথে সেটা শেয়ার করব।
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. I'm Linda.
Oh, hi Linda. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. So you're free now, right?
Yeah, totally free.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
লিন্ডা নামক এই ভদ্রমহিলা গত 2-3 দিন ধরে আমাকে ফোন করে আমাকে আমার বিল থেকে 40% কম করে দিবে। সে বলে যে আমার বর্তমান ক্যারিয়ার সার্ভিস লাইক আমার ফোন কোম্পানি হলো 3 নেটওয়ার্ক ইউকে। সো সে নাকি 3 থেকে ফোন করছে আমাকে চিপ অফার দিবে বলে। নতুন সিম নিলেও 40% অফ, আবার পুরনোটাতেও সে আমাকে 40 ভাগ দাম কমিয়ে দিবে। তার কথাবার্তায় আমার কাছে যথেষ্ট সাসপিশিয়াস লাইক সন্দেহ লেগেছে। এই জন্যই আমি তাকে রেকর্ড করার চেষ্টা করি এবং তার কলটা আমি বলি তুমি আমাকে অবসরে কল দাও, তাহলে আমি সেট আপ করে ওর কলটা নিয়ে দেখবো সে কীভাবে আমাকে স্ক্যাম করতে চায়। সো সে আমাকে ফোন করে এবং ফোনের মাধ্যমে নানান কৌশলে সে আমার অ্যাড্রেস, ডেট অফ বার্থ, নাম এবং কার্ড ডিটেলস নিতে চায় স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ। সো ফার্স্ট স্টেপটার ছিল সে আমার অ্যাড্রেস জানতে চায়, ডেট অফ বার্থ এবং ফোন নাম্বার। ফোন নাম্বারে আমাকে একটা কোড পাঠায়, সেটাও আমি শেয়ার করি না। আমার মনে হচ্ছে সেটা পাক কোডের মাধ্যমে অনেক সময় ফোন নাম্বারটা নিয়ে নিতে পারে। সো আমি তাকে কিন্তু কিছুই দেইনি। আপনারা সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটা দেখলে বুঝতে পারবেন সে কীভাবে ট্রাই করেছে।
I'm saying, if I'm interested to take the contract out, yeah, can I go and fill out the forms and give all the details online instead of like giving over the phone?
Yeah, sure. You can done it from your side as well. Okay.
সো আমি তার স্ক্যামিংয়ের সিস্টেমটা জানার জন্য, সে কীভাবে আমাকে স্ক্যাম করতে চায় এটা জানার জন্য আমি তার কাছ থেকে একটা কন্ট্রাক্ট নিতে অ্যাগ্রি করি। সে আমার কারেন্ট কন্ট্রাক্টে দিতে পারবে না, কারণ আমি বিজনেস কন্ট্রাক্টে আছি। এই জন্য সে আমাকে একটা পার্সোনাল কন্ট্রাক্ট দেবে, যেটা নর্মাল প্রাইসের থেকে 40 ভাগ বা 40% দাম কম থাকবে। আমি অ্যাগ্রি করি, কিন্তু এরপরেই সে স্ক্যামিং করার সিস্টেমে চলে যায়।
Yeah.
Um,
Don't be worried. It's a secure line. Everything is recorded here. Don't worry about anything.
No, because I'm not, as I'm saying, I'm not comfortable giving you my address out on the phone. So if
okay.
Yeah, I'll be very happy to fill out the form.
That is just to actually, I'm just confirming, just to send you the paperwork. You also got a paperwork about this contract and about the discount, so that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, no, but you can if you let me fill out the forms online through website, I can do that. I cannot email you my personal information either. I can only fill out the form if it's a trusted website online. Yeah,
I understand. I do understand.
Yeah. Because there are lots of scam going on, I've been told.
Yeah, I understand, dear. I do understand. We are getting so many complaints about that. I do understand. Don't be worried about anything. I can help you with that, okay?
Yeah,
Don't
cool.
worry.
Yeah, cheers.
Let me tell you something. We are also doing a survey. So I would like to confirm, are you getting a good services from there? Are you having any kind of problem with the connection?
Connection, yeah, sometimes it could be a little bit dodgy, but a few days ago we had bad connection with 3, yeah. So yeah, sometimes their network get a little bit jam packed.
Okay. What kind of problem is it's making a problem with your calls or when you're using your internet?
Yeah, we had an issue with the call very rarely, but internet is mostly data service is really slow sometimes. Yeah.
Okay, all right. And so when you are in your area or when you in your job area, when it's making a problem?
Mostly out and about, yeah. The busy area, where
Uh,
is the more people using the network, that's the
uh-huh.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let me just check in your area first. Okay. Give me 1 minute so I can make a better service there. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we are going to apply with the same tariff.
সে আমাকে কৌশলে বলছিল যে আমি যে এরিয়াতে আছি এখানে কোনো নেটওয়ার্কের সমস্যা আছে কিনা। সে ওভার দ্য ফোনে এই এরিয়ার নেটওয়ার্ক ভালো করে দিতে পারবে উইদিন এ সেকেন্ড। সো কৌশলে সে আমার অ্যাড্রেসটা নিতে চেয়েছিল। আমি জাস্ট তাকে আমার এরিয়ার কোনো একটা পোস্ট কোড দিয়েছি, ইভেন আমার বাসার পোস্ট কোডও না, যেন সে আমার পার্সোনাল কোনো ডেটা না পায়। সে 1 মিনিটেই বললো হ্যাঁ আমি সার্ভিস ভালো করে দিচ্ছি, এখন থেকে আর প্রবলেম হবে না।
Okay. Yeah, I got a form, but it's saying like it's just my bank account, sort code, and card holder's name. This is the form
Yes.
I got, and this forms is like twisted around, like three is upside down, and is yeah.
That's the one that is to set your monthly bill is 13 pounds. We have sent you that.
Yeah,
So
but
you can set your bill by yourself. You can put your details there and you can submit.
and listen, why do I need to give card details there as well?
To set up your monthly bill, sir.
No, monthly bill could be taken from the account, like by a direct debit or something. But this is like
Yes.
saying they can take
Okay,
money.
give me a moment. Let me explain to you.
Yeah.
The source code and account number required, the direct debit details required just to set up your monthly bill, and the card details required just for an identity check or the AVS check.
All right.
Because you are a new customer, so we need to do an identity check for that. So you can do it by yourself. You're not going to give me that details. You have that portal. Once you click on submit, so it will be done automatically.
To be honest, this captcha head details, captcha details, it doesn't seems right to me. It seems proper like a scam, like this form to me.
Not like that, sir.
Yeah,
It is
it
not.
looks like. Trust me, it looks like a scam because if I give my bank card details, you got my postcode to check my area, and now,
Yes.
if I give you this capture details, this is not a proper website or either. You get my card details, then you can.
No, how can I, sir, how can I get your card details? Because you have that portal. Once you fill it, it will be done automatically.
What
We
is?
are not allowed to have that information because we have that online form that I have sent you. Once you done it, once you click on submit, so it's automatically goes in a static form. We don't have that information.
This is even not a proper website. Trust me. This is like I'm giving my details to someone. Just I'd like to give my details. Look that way, and because this is not the first
Sorry?
time. This is not the first time I'm taking a mobile phone contract or SIM contract out. I never seen like I have to give my details like that. Never had to do that.
I understand, but sir, we have this, we have different kinds of things here, so that's why we are doing this
No,
now.
no,
because
but-
we are updating our system. As let me tell you, sir, the version, as I told you, the three and Vodafone are the same companies now. They merged now, so that's why we are updating our systems right now. So we make some changes there. So that's why I have sent you. Because you told me you don't want to give your details over the call. You want to done it from your side. So that's why I sent you the link.
But why don't you send a proper link from a proper website? This is like.
Sorry?
Why don't
I
you?
sent you. That is the link. Okay,
This is not.
that is the link.
This is not even. Okay, which company owns this website? You tell me.
Sorry?
Which company owns this website? Like capturedetails.co.in.
sir.
3.
It's showing on the when you open the link, it's showing 3 there, right?
Just
You didn't open it.
by showing 3 there, it doesn't mean it's a 3 company, and that 3 is like
You mean
twisted
it
around.
doesn't mean it's 3 company.
Yeah, it doesn't mean it's a 3 company.
Okay, if you don't believe me, sir, what you can do, you can open your 3 app, check on your app. It's a Christmas promotion.
3 app I can open. I can go to 3 website, but the website you give me is not doesn't belongs to even on Transpilot. It doesn't find on
How can you say that it doesn't belongs to 3?
it doesn't. I can see it. It doesn't belongs to 3.
Sir, it is not. I know how to, I sent you from 3 email, right? And it's from 3. This website is from 3.
No,
It's
no.
linked by 3.
No, it's just captcha.co.uk. It's not 3.
That's
3 is
mean, sir, that's the link, okay? That's the link name.
um
That is, when you open the link, have you opened the link?
yeah, of course I have opened the link.
It shows 3 there, right?
Yeah, it just showing 3 there, it doesn't mean 3. If I open a link like that and I
I mean,
put a
it's showing 3 there and it doesn't mean 3.
if I open a website like that and put a Apple sign there, can I make people believe this is a Apple website? This is Apple?
Sorry?
If I
What did
make
you say?
if I make an website or a capture details website, something like that, and put a Apple logo there, can I make people believe this is Apple website?
Sir, because it's not possible to make your own website.
Why not?
Like this, that you're telling me if I can make a website and put Apple there, people believe it's Apple website.
Okay, listen. Before I take out any contract, I fill out a direct debit form or credit check form. That's never been like that. Never. I'm
Okay.
not. And
All right. If you don't want to put it there,
yeah.
you can do it manually. Okay. You
Yeah.
can do it manually, sir. Because once you want account contract, you should have to give your details out, right? You know that. You have to give because they're
Yeah.
doing an identity.
Yeah. That's
First, they do an identity check for that, so you have to give your card details and all the information.
Yeah, but that's secure way to do. The way you are asking my card details and stuff on this website, let me tell you, straight away, if you want, you can take money out of my account. You can.
Sir, I don't need your money. Believe me. That's my promise. I don't need
Aha.
your money. Okay?
Where can I
We are
find
the big
you?
company. We are the big company in UK, right?
What company
We are
are
the
you?
biggest company.
Are you from
Three,
3?
sir.
Are you from 3? You couldn't even send me a email from 3. The email you have sent
I'm
me.
calling you from 3. Listen, sir. I'm calling you from 3 Network, okay?
Are you calling
My name
me?
is Linda.
Your
But
name
can
is.
you listen? You just keep interrupting me. You're not listening me.
Yeah. No. I think you are not from
I told
3.
you it's a big company from 3. So how can I lie with you, sir?
Yeah,
I don't want to mess up with my company rules. No, sir.
No,
I don't
Linda.
want to mess up with my job either.
No, Linda. I can see it. You are not from 3. The 3 sales
You cannot
promotion.
see it.
No.
You cannot see it.
Yeah. I
Lying.
can. Because look, I can see like you are trying to scam me. Somehow you wanna take my bank
How can I
details.
scam you, sir? How
You-
can I scam you? Without your permission, I didn't take any. I am not be able to take any single penny from your account without your permission. Right?
Yeah. You
First,
can't.
your bank sent you a message when someone trying to take out your money from your bank. First, bank sent you a message, right, on your mobile phone.
But you can make a bill on my name and not for big amount they send you message. Maybe you're gonna try a small amount. If you are from 3, I
Are
haven't
you
got a.
serious? Are you serious, sir?
Yeah, I'm very serious. Look, I'm very serious and clever. And because I have already gotten contract with 3, business contract. So I know how do they
Yes,
contact
I
us.
know.
Yeah, how do they contact us?
Okay, then you can done it from your side, okay?
How
But
can
stop
I-
saying this. I'm trying to scam you.
Yeah.
Stop saying this, I said.
Yeah, you are trying to, because the form you just sent
No,
me,
I am not.
they never take me 16-digit card details number or
Okay,
security.
what you can do, Mr. Ibrahim, listen.
Yeah,
Stop.
go ahead.
Stop there. What you can do is you can call on 3 customer service, okay?
Okay, give me your
You have your
employee
details
number.
there.
Give me your employee number. I check out on 3 customer service.
Sorry, what did you say?
Give me your employee number so I can call 3 customer service
No,
and
I'm not trying to give it to you, sir, because you said you were trying to scam me. You said
Yeah,
me like
I'm still saying
you were
that.
so rude with me.
No. You are trying
are.
to scam me. I can be rude. I'm saying, give me your employee number. I'm going to
not-
call. I'm going to call.
We don't have the permission to share our personal details. Okay?
No personal
I'm not
details.
going to give it to you.
No,
It's
no.
a recorded line.
Yeah, I'm a valid customer. I can ask your employee number, so I can verify you. You are actually calling from 3.
I don't know. I want to tell you, okay?
Why would you don't know?
I just don't.
You should know
I
your
know,
employee
but I
number.
don't.
You should
I
know your
know,
employee
sir.
number.
I
Yeah.
know. I know my employee number, but I am not going to give it to you. You can simply call on 3 number, okay?
Yeah.
Call on 3 customer service.
Yeah, I can of course call
It's
3 customer service.
0333.
Yeah,
You can write down the customer
even I
service.
got the business customer service number as well. Just give me your employee number. If you are calling from 3, give me your employee number. I call 3 to verify
Okay,
you.
I can give it to you, my employee number. Can you give me your card number?
Why would I give you my
Can
card?
you?
I give you my
Then
card
I'll
number.
give you my employee number. Then I will give you my employee number.
Okay, if I give you just card number, is that sufficient, or you need the address, you need the 3-digit security code, cardholder's name, those?
Yes, I need all the information, right?
Yeah, but if I give you that, then you're gonna give me your employee number.
Yeah. If you are going to give me your card details, then I'll give you my employee number.
Okay. Let me explain to you now. If you are really keen to get my card number, you are really keen to get my card number and card details, aren't you?
Because you are trying to get my employee number.
Yeah,
So
because
can I
you
give
are
it to
employed.
anybody? How can I don't know who you are, right?
What do you mean you don't know
I don't
who
know.
you are?
I don't know. I
You
don't
said,
know who you are. I think so. I'm talking to the wrong person, I think. I don't think so you are the right
but
person.
no company people, no
You
customer
are a
service.
stranger.
No,
You are a stranger.
yeah, okay, I'm a
Call
stranger.
on customer service, sir.
No,
Stop arguing with
because
me.
look,
Call on customer service.
because I'm
If you want to have a contract, why are you arguing with me? Simply call on customer service.
yeah, I can
Okay.
do. But if you're not from 3, trust me, because you are a scam. I know, and you know it, because you are so keen to get my card number. My customer service 3 I'm using last 15 years, they never get into my card details, never. No one ever asked except you. Linda, you scam.
Yes, I'm listening to you. Shut up, saying scam.
Actually, are you scamming me? Trying to?
Listen,
Seriously?
sir. Call on 3 customer service, please.
They
okay?
never asked me for
And
that.
if they ask you about the bank details, if they ask you about the bank details,
Yeah,
you
bank
have to tell
details.
them
Yeah,
scam, okay?
Yeah. They asked me for the bank
Yeah.
details before, but no one ever asked me for the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and the last security code from the back of the card. Never. No one.
Oh, I think you don't know anything, sir. You don't know anything.
I think you don't know anything, because as soon I asked you,
I
your
know
employee.
everything. I know my job.
No,
I know my job.
you know your scam. As soon I asked you for the your employee number, you wanted to take my card details, like in exchange. That's really ridiculous. Like, I can tell, like, you are proper scam, Linda, wasting my time and so many others. Why are you doing that Christmas time? People scamming people, taking money out of their card. Linda, why do you wanna take money out of people's card during the Christmas time? Is it what you do?
মজা ও খেপে গেছে, ও বুঝে গেছে যে ওকে আমি ধরছি, অ্যান্ড সে আমাকে যে ফর্মটা পাঠিয়েছে এটা টোটালি স্ক্যাম। আপনাদেরকে দেখাই, আমি যদি এখানে ডিটেলসটা দিতাম, সে আমাকে যেই ওয়েবসাইট দিছে, আপনারা ওয়েবসাইটগুলো ভেরিফাই করে নিতে পারবেন। এখন সে আমাকে যে ওয়েবসাইটটা দিয়েছে এটা আসলেই একটা স্ক্যাম, এবং এটাকে যদি আপনারা ট্রাস্ট পাইলট, এই ওয়েবসাইটটা trustpilot.com, এখানে গিয়ে আপনি এই ওয়েবসাইটটা মারেন, এই যে ওয়েবসাইটটা আমি দিয়েছি, ভিজিট দ্য ওয়েবসাইট, এখানে গেলেই আপনার ওই যে ব্যাঙ্ক ডিটেলস ওইগুলো চায়, ওখানে চলে যায়। এটা ফেক একটা ওয়েবসাইট। এখান থেকে আপনার পার্সোনাল ডিটেলস নিয়ে আপনার অ্যাকাউন্ট থেকে টাকা নেওয়ার একটা সিস্টেম করে। আর সে আমাকে ফোনে বলতেছে সে ফোনের মধ্যে আমার 5G ঠিক করে দিছে, এই এরিয়াতে নাকি নেটওয়ার্ক আসবে। মানে তার কথায় আমি কিন্তু সব জায়গায় পাচ্ছি স্ক্যামের গন্ধ। আর সে আমাকে কালকে না গত কয়েকদিন ধরে ফোন দিচ্ছে তো দিচ্ছেই। তো আমি ভাবলাম একটা ভিডিও করে সবাইকে দেই, সবার জন্য যেন উপকার হয়। তো আপনি যদি আপনার কার্ড ডিটেলস বা ব্যক্তিগত ডিটেলস তাকে দেন বা এখানে এন্টার করেন, সে পেয়ে যাবে, সে অটোমেটিকলি আপনার অ্যাকাউন্ট থেকে টাকা নিয়ে যাবে। সো এই ধরনের স্ক্যাম থেকে এই ক্রিসমাস টাইম আপনারা সবাই সাবধানে থাকবেন।